channel, YouTube. Changing it up a little bit today. If you remember, quite a while back at this point, I did a couple videos in regards to my grandfather's 1950 Mercury 4-door that's been in my dad's garage for quite a while. We ended up tearing into the car. There's a few different videos out there in regards to the motor rebuild. Some of you guys probably think I forgot about it because, like I said, it's been quite a while since we posted that video. But Dad has been working on it. Life gets in the way with everything else, and most of my videos have been all related to the Lamborghini, as you guys know. But I'm heading over to Dad's today. We've actually got things to the point that we are ready to drop the motor back in the car. So probably speed this up, just make a quick little video. We're definitely not going to be able to get the thing fired up today, but just wanted to show you guys that progress is continuing on the car, and when we do get to the point that we can actually fire that motor up, we'll definitely get that on video. You know, it's kind of ironic because somebody just commented on one of the videos the other day, and the timing was impeccable because we were cooking this up for the weekend just to be able to get over there, get this thing planned out, and get some time together to work on wrestling that thing in there. Dad's got the engine bay all prepped up this winter. 70 years worth of grime all cleaned out of there, got it all painted. It looks fresh. It's not going to be a show car by any means, but it's a fresh start from where things were. So I should be over there in about 10 minutes or so. I'll show you guys the progress that he's made over the winter here. We'll show you kind of where things are at, and like I said, I'll probably speed it up because there's nothing fast about wrestling a motor in, especially when you're trying not to totally bang up and destroy a freshly painted engine compartment. Usually always seems to be some unforeseen challenges when you're a couple DIYers just working out of the garage. You don't have any fancy lifts or anything like that to aid in the process. So we're just working with what we got. All right, I know it's been a while, but there she is in all her glory. Looks a whole lot better than when she came out. And there is where it's going. And Dad got it all cleaned up, painted all fresh. Looks 100 times better than it did if you guys saw the videos when we yanked it out of there. So that is the goal. Put that here. So let's see how it goes. All right, well, there it is. 2 years later, it's got a heart again. So now Dad's got a little bit more work to do. Start reconnecting everything. Didn't put up too big of a fight. A little bit to get things lined up just so. But yeah, it's good to see it back in there. Kind of a short video today, YouTube. I get it, but I just wanted to show that there is still progress. Stay tuned for more.